Hello friends, today we're going to see how we can play around dates in Power Query. It is also one of the pain area for any transformation as different system reads dates in different ways. But I assure you, it is not a pain in Power Query. Let's see this example. Please do focus on the dates. Let me import this in Power Query. So our data is imported, but you must have observed that once we import the data, it includes or it showing time as well with the dates, which I don't want, and it's very easy to remove it. Select the date section and look only for the dates. It will done. Replace the current. It is done. So now if I want to extract the year from this, I go to the add column. I can look for the dates here, then year. Now I want to extract month. Then I go here, month. Now I want to extract date, days, day. So it split, these functions split my date into three different columns. There are other several functions available here. You can give a try. If you face any problem, please do mention the comment section. We'll definitely going to help you. Now, suppose if instead of date, you have three different columns in your data, like year, month, and days in three different columns, and you want to combine it into a single day or a single date. How to do that? It's again a very simple and a quick thing. Select the columns and go to the merge column. Window will pop up. The separator will be comma. And one thing before we proceed further, I would like to add one thing, that when we are creating a date using three different columns, the order of clicking the columns will remain in the same order always. It should be year first, then month, then day. You can't change the order because it is how Power Query read it. You can give the name as merge date so that we can understand this. You can click OK. Let me scroll it. But still it doesn't look like date because we have merged it using comma separator. We have to still convert this into a date. We need to click on this, click on date, done. There is another way of combining this, and let me go to that. You need to create a custom column. In custom column, you again give this name as custom date. There is a keyword to create a date, so you need to learn this hash date. This is how a system will read when you create using a custom column. So as advised earlier, the first will be year, then again a comma separator, then month, then comma separator, then day. Let me close this bracket. Look for the syntax errors. It's okay here, then click OK. Still it is the text as of, then we can create it to the date. Hope you understand the topic and there are no further doubts. For any further queries or feedback, please do mention the comment section. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our videos.